Hey guys, it's Anthony of BrooklynTrader.com with a levels tongue twister. A levels video in Citrix Corporation, CYTR. Stock's currently trading up 17.5%. Stock traded even higher, as you can see here, up to 373, and then continued to fade for the rest of the day. And then now in the afternoon, it's trying to stage another run up here, but it doesn't seem like it's getting any legs behind it. So let's just draw in a few quick levels for you to keep a watch on. So you can see here it came off, traded at the open higher, and then faded down to 320. Tried to get up to 340, couldn't make it up to the 350 level, and failed. Tried again to make it up towards 350, failed. So we want to draw in the 50-cent level because that will be a significant level to break for this thing to look like it will want to move higher. So we have our 350 level. Also, the thing faded down to 320. Tried again to move higher, failed, came back around this 325 level, and then moved higher again. So let's draw in our quarter level as well as a significant line of support intraday on the 15-minute chart here. So besides these two levels, you really don't want to do anything inside here. You want to look for a breakout above or a breakdown below these levels to get a better idea of which way the stock wants to go. But a few levels that I put in my subscribers know that I watch constantly are Fibonacci levels. These are very telling levels, and they always work. So I like to draw those in as well. So let's just draw in our Fibonacci retracement to give us a clearer picture of what's going on here. So we could see that this morning, let me just take this out. It's a little distracting now with this chart. So we can see that this morning the stock opened up, came all the way back, bounced off the 38.2% retracement, and then it held. That 38.2% held until it broke down. Where did it break down to? Exactly the 50% level. Okay, so that's a big sign of weakness. Broke down to 61.8, and finally bounced off the 61.8 line. Isn't it crazy how these levels just work perfectly here with the action of the stock? That's why I use these levels. So anyway, this bounced off the 61.8% line, and where did it go up right up to? The 38.2 line. Okay, but it couldn't seem to hold. Faded back again to the 50% level, and then went back up and through the 38% mark. So that's a positive sign, but it just can't seem to hold, and now it's fading. So what do we want to look for now for the last hour and 10 minutes of the day? We want to see if this 50% retracement level holds. If this can't hold, that could signal further weakness in the name and retracement back towards filling the gap here from yesterday's close below 290. So keep that in mind. You're 23.6, 38.2, 50% level, and 61.8, as well as the levels we drew in earlier. I hope that helps you out, guys. Some good levels to look at. Of course, please visit my website, Brooklyn-Trader.com, and follow me on StockTwits, Twitter, on Facebook, and all that good stuff. All right, guys. Talk to you later.